इधर देख बाबू।
बाबू इधर देखिए। Hey everybody, welcome to another video and good afternoon from Delhi. I'm currently at Raj Ghat, which is a massive park and memorial dedicated to Mahatma Gandhi, the father of India. He was actually cremated here the day after he was assassinated on January 31st, 1948. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second and it helps me out a lot. Go ahead and click it. I'll wait for you. Thank you. The streets of Delhi that I've seen so far are pretty noisy, pretty populated, pretty hectic. It's kind of a sensory overload, but this park is a nice relief from that. It's nice and clean, there's not trash, there's no dust, there's no noise. Just people enjoying themselves. Before you enter, you have to remove your shoes, and you can leave your shoes here for free, or you can pay 1 rupee, which I did. This is the spot where Mahatma Gandhi was cremated, July 31st, 1948, the day after he was assassinated, and became a martyr and the father of India. This tree was planted by Ho Chi Minh, 1958. Kind of wish that I worked here. For years I was a landscaper. Or well, was British, but he was born in India. That's it everybody for Raj Ghat. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to check out my other videos, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.